Dental tool for removing broken canal instruments. The tool combines new technology, fine quality and effective work. BTR Pen makes the removal of broken dental instruments a predictable, universal and repeatable procedure. The usage of the ultrathin and highly elastic working tip, together with ultimate endurance nitinol loop, makes it easy to get to the broken canal instrument. The tool allows cert grip and safe removal of the broken canal instrument regardless of its position in the canal. Properties of BTR Pen single tool system for every type of root canal precise grip of the broken instrument available tips 0.0, 3 mm, 0.0, 4 mm, 0.0, 5 mm the body made of surgical steel. BTR Pen makes removal of broken endodontic files a predictable, universal and repeatable practice. Ultrathin and highly elastic working tip, together with nitinol loop, allows an easy access to the broken file. BTR Pen allows a solid grip and safe removal of the broken file regardless its position in the root canal. The tool combines new technology, fine quality and effective work. BTR Pen makes the removal of broken dental instruments a predictable, universal and repeatable procedure. The usage of the ultrathin and highly elastic working tip, together with ultimate endurance nitinol loop, makes it easy to get to the broken canal instrument. The tool allows cert grip and safe removal of the broken canal instrument regardless of its position in the canal. Properties of BTR Pen single tool system for every type of root canal precise grip of the broken instrument available tips 0.0, 3 mm, 0.0, 4 mm, 0.0, 5 mm the body made